Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best LED mirror is probably one of the most versatile and visually stunning additions you can make to your home decor, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that can transform any room into a personalized sanctuary of light and reflection, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to elevate their living space with a touch of modern elegance and customizable ambience. Number 5. ISTRIPMF 40 by 32-inch LED bathroom mirror. Experience versatile lighting with our LED bathroom mirror. It features front lighting for clear grooming and RGB backlights to create a relaxing ambience. Customize your lighting experience with stepless dimming from 10% to 100% for both front and back lights. You can also easily adjust the light color to suit your mood. Plus, it remembers your last settings. No more foggy mirrors after your shower. Our advanced anti-fog technology ensures a clear reflection, even in steamy bathrooms, so you can always see yourself clearly. Crafted from high-quality 5mm tempered glass, this mirror is built to last. It's shatterproof and explosion-proof, offering superior durability and safety compared to ordinary mirrors. Install it your way with either a simple plug-in or a hardwired option. For hardwiring, we recommend consulting a professional electrician for a seamless setup. What we like? This mirror offers both functional front lighting for grooming and ambient RGB backlighting for atmosphere. It features stepless dimming for precise control and is made from shatterproof tempered glass for safety. If you're looking for a versatile mirror that can enhance both your daily routine and the overall mood of your bathroom, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. I am amazed by the quality, clarity, and functionality of this mirror. I have it hardwired and it works independent of the main light switch. I've cleaned it several times, no scratches or distorted images. They are beautiful and very well made. They arrived well packaged, perfect and undamaged. They are light enough to be manageable and installed by one person. The mirror seems solid, the size is great for our setup and the light is bright enough and can be dimmed down to where it looks great. Number 4. Keonjinn 24 by 36 LED bathroom mirror. Introducing the Keonjinn 24 by 36-inch LED mirror, designed to enhance your bathroom experience. It offers brilliant illumination and smart features for your daily routine. Effortlessly adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% with a simple touch. This smart mirror remembers your preferred settings, ensuring the perfect ambience every time. Enjoy a clear reflection even in steamy environments. The anti-fog function activates quickly and automatically shuts off, ensuring safety and convenience. Experience exceptional lighting with double high-density LED strips. They provide over 50,000 hours of service, delivering clear, true-to-life colors with a CRI of over 90. Crafted from 5mm tempered glass, this mirror is built for durability and safety. Its UL-listed components ensure reliable performance in wet bathroom conditions. Installation is a breeze with the included French cleat bracket. You can hang it horizontally or vertically, and choose between plug-in or hardwired options. From a leading brand in mirror innovation, this product is meticulously crafted and packaged to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. We stand by our commitment to quality. What we like? This option provides a bright, clear 6000K white light that's dimmable and includes a fast-acting, automatic anti-fog feature. It's built with safety in mind, using UL-listed components for reliable performance in wet environments. If you prioritize a clean, bright, and safe lighting experience for your daily grooming, especially after a shower, this mirror is ideal. What people say. The brightness was really good. I wish it was a tad brighter, but generally it's not to replace your main light, just to give you a little help with your face area. The packing was grade A. It arrived without a single damage. They do an amazing job with packaging. Love that the unit retains the last color, brightness, and warming setting when it's powered off, so it made sense to hardwire it into a light switch. Number 3. Nanoleaf RGBW Lightstrips with Matter. Experience breathtaking gradient effects with 50 color zones, allowing multiple colors to shine simultaneously along the strip. It's a truly immersive visual experience. Unleash your creativity with over 16 million colors. Customize dynamic lighting effects to perfectly match your mood, from a calming ambience to an energetic party vibe. Bring your entertainment to life by mirroring your screen's colors onto the light strip. Watch as your PC or TV's visuals extend into your room for an unparalleled cinematic experience. Feel the rhythm like never before. These lights react to sound, dancing, and pulsing to the beat of your favorite music, turning any space into a vibrant concert hall. No matter the space, these lights will fit perfectly. You can easily trim them to the desired length by cutting along the indicated lines for a seamless installation. Enjoy seamless compatibility with your favorite smart home ecosystems like Apple Home, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa thanks to Matter technology. Control your lighting effortlessly. Manage your lighting with ease. Use the attached controller, the Nanoleaf app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or simply use voice commands with your smart assistant for ultimate convenience. What we like. This is a long, 16.4-foot light strip with 50 individually addressable color zones, allowing for stunning gradient effects and dynamic animations. It's Matter-enabled for seamless integration with major smart home ecosystems. If you want to add vibrant, customizable, and dynamic lighting to your space, whether it's behind a TV, under cabinets, or along walls, and you love to play with colors and effects, this is the product for you. What people say. They are really bright. The box said each strip is 2,200 lumens. The colors are also very vibrant but not as bright as the white. The white is also adjustable from a warm tungsten white to a cool daylight. They can also change with the time of day through HomeKit. Wonderful color selection, brightness adjustment, super smooth gradients. I love the scenes function because I was able to create my own gradient that matches the gentle, smooth rainbow gradient that is on my keyboard, so everything looks very cohesive. Full native HomeKit compatibility with adaptive lighting support. Responds quickly over Thread and HomeKit, needs a HomePod. Very slow and laggy over Bluetooth. Number 2. DEWEISN Folding Lighted Makeup Mirror. Never struggle with dim lighting again. This mirror features 72 bright LED lights, offering perfect visibility for your makeup routine. You can even choose between white, warm, and natural light settings to suit your needs. Forget about constantly replacing batteries. It comes with a built-in rechargeable battery, easily charged by USB. Its compact, ultra-thin, and foldable design makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. Adjusting the light is simple with its high-sensitivity touch controls. Easily dim or brighten the LEDs to your preferred level, with options for 100%, 50%, and 10% brightness. Crafted from high-quality materials, this mirror provides a clear and accurate reflection without distortion. It's durable and perfect for detailed tasks like makeup application, shaving, and more. Enjoy a stable, distortion-free 1x magnification that's perfect for all your grooming needs. It stands securely on any flat surface and can be adjusted to your ideal angle, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone. What we like. This is a compact, portable, and USB rechargeable makeup mirror with 72 bright LEDs offering 3 color modes and dimmable brightness. Its ultra-thin, foldable design makes it perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. If you need a reliable and convenient lighted mirror that you can easily take with you anywhere, this is an excellent choice for your makeup needs. What people say. Its compact, ultra-thin design made it perfect for my small vanity, and the foldable structure meant I could easily tuck it away when not in use. The light modes provide excellent illumination, whether I'm applying makeup in the morning or evening. The dimmable feature is a thoughtful touch, letting me adjust brightness to my preference. The mirror is incredibly lightweight and compact. This is crucial when you're already juggling luggage and kids' gear. It doesn't take up valuable space and it's easy to toss in a suitcase or carry on without adding extra bulk. Number 1. Aura Labs Smart TV Backlight. Transform your viewing with our advanced camera technology that mirrors your screen in real time. It creates a vivid light experience, displaying multiple colors at once for deeper contrast and next-level ambience. Say goodbye to flat lighting and eye strain. Our dynamic backlight syncs instantly with on-screen action and music, making your entertainment more engaging and unforgettable. Built with durable multicolor LEDs and powered by an advanced camera sensor, it ensures precise color matching. Strong adhesive guarantees secure and long-lasting installation. Easily adjust brightness, colors, and scenes via the app, or enjoy hands-free control with voice assistants. Create the perfect ambient mood lighting in any room. We're here to help with dedicated US-based support, ready to assist within 24 hours. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty on your new lighting system. What we like. This TV backlight uses an advanced camera to sync colors in real time with your screen, creating an immersive viewing experience with its RGBW technology. It offers precise color matching and is backed by dedicated US-based support. If you want to elevate your movie nights, gaming sessions, or TV watching with dynamic, responsive lighting that truly brings your screen to life, this is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. The mirror has a bright and clear reflection, and the LED lights are evenly distributed, providing good illumination. The multicolor LED feature is a nice touch, allowing for customizable ambience and mood lighting. It's a stylish addition to the bathroom, with a sleek design that complements modern decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.